Mac Ayers in a 66, going to bring him down. Green flag in the air. Jacob McCormick to his outside, and they'll stay side by side down into turn number 1 and 2. McCormick going up to the top side. Jacob McCormick, Mac Ayers now back to second. Tyree up to third. Bradrick Pruitt in that 17 up to fourth now. McCormick with the race lead down into 3 and 4, but here comes Ayers starting to close. Robert Tyree in third. Bradrick Pruitt in a 17 in fourth. Dakota Johnson in fifth, rounding out the top 5. McCormick going to go up the hill. The 66 going to look to turn up underneath him, but no room there. At least that time by the end was closed. Jacob McCormick in that 08, still with the race lead by about a car length as they work now into 3 and 4. He'll climb the hill. Mac Ayers still on the bottom. Ayers able to gain ground, but off the exit once again. Jacob McCormick going to slam that door. We have 4 in the books. Coming to 5 complete next time, 15 to go. If we can get there off of 3 and 4. Jacob McCormick in that machine in the 08. Mac Ayers in the 66. Robert Tyree. Bradrick Pruitt in the 17. Dakota Johnson in the 36. Chase McCormick, Mac Ayers, Robert Tyree, Bradrick Pruitt, Dakota Johnson, still your top 5. Bradrick Wheeler in the 18W with problems, going to move now to the inside. He'll pull back into the infield area. Continuing a battle here for the lead. Jacob on the 08 machine. McElroy with the lead, but here comes Mac Ayers. Looking to the inside, fender to fender. He'll stick it in there. He'll get the door closed on him. Jacob McCormick in the 08 machine still with your race lead as we come to 5 to go. Mike Ayers looking once again, trying to close in on the top spot. Jacob McCormick in the 08 machine, feeling the pressure. Mike Ayers in the 66 looking to the inside. A little bit of contact, trying to nudge him back to the inside. Hey, I'm still here. 3 laps to go, and we've got a barn burner down into turn number 1 and 2. McCormick on the outside, Ayers on the inside. They're still battling it out. Dakota Johnson up to 3rd. Robert Tyree in the 11 machine in 4th. 2 to go. Time to settle it up front. Mike Ayers is there, and he's on the bottom shelf. On the top shelf going to be Jacob McCormick in that machine on the top side. The 08 on the top side of the Speedway. Ayers still on the bottom, almost side by side. Off of turn number 3 and 4 as they see the white flag. Jacob McCormick in the 08 machine on the top side. Ayers gets loose. That may be the opportunity that Jacob McCormick needs. Ayers going to fall back 2 car lengths now. McCormick down into turn number 3 and 4 for the final time. Jacob McCormick, one last effort from Ayers. It's not going to be enough. Jacob McCormick will win Pure Stock here tonight at Natural Bridge. He'll pick up the victory over Mike Ayers, Dakota Johnson, Robert Tyree, and Bradrick Pruitt going to be your top 5. American All-Star Series drivers, please be getting ready. This is your 5-minute call.